Oh, hey! Wait, what are you...
You should die. You should throw a beach party.
There's a line of people behind you.
300 cheeseburgers for all my precious spawn.
No, thanks. I'm trying to quit.
No, it looks like I've taken Ragatha and dropped her in the deep fryer.
Are you smiling?
No.
Why not?
Where's the intrigue? The stakes?
Not to mention the sex appeal.
What are you talking about?
Oh, say. What the heck?
Ow. Ow.
Why are you like this? You can shut up now.
Explain to Daddy Bubble how bad thing.
I think that... Don't say that.
Sounds sticky.
Very sticky indeed.
Sounds.
Bubble, you can't say that.